Well. Hi all. Back with cycling tips. It's been a while. Yes, we had a bet in the beginning of January, first race of the season. We lost 8 stars. But since then I decided we'll tip back and we just pick the big races. And the big races of the year are the 3 Grand Tours, which are 21 days each. And then there's 5 monuments plus the World Championship, which is 1 day races, there's 6 of them. They are the cream of the crop. And tomorrow we've got the first one, Milan San Remo. It's the longest 1 day race in the whole calendar. 288 kilometres. Yeah, you heard me right, 180 fucking miles. What a race. It's the same every year, same course. So what are we looking out for tomorrow? I know it's a bit late, but what can you do? If you get it in time, this race starts about 9:30 in the morning. You want to get your bet on, if anybody has it in the account online, okay? What do we have? Not the hilliest, not flat either. Few little climbs. But where this race is going to be is over the distance, 288 kilometres, as I said. But at the end of all this, in the last 50 kilometres, there's 2 climbs. The Cipresso and the Poggio, okay? Now the Poggio is the last one. And it tops out, it's not the longest climb in the world, it's only about 4 kilometres, 5 kilometres, about 5% gradient. That's not too difficult. But what happens at the end of that is 6 kilometres to the finishing line from the top of that. And the 4 kilometres, the first 4 kilometres after you go to the top, downhill are fucking amazing. Twisty roads, and then there's a 2 kilometre flat to the line. Hopefully what I see is what I've seen before, is a guy called Matic Maharic. He won it a couple of years ago. And he's in great form this year already, if he is with the fucking group at the end of this race, to come over the top of that, this fella is a fucking demon descender. He's fearless. And he can come down that mountain at least a minute and a half quicker in 4 kilometres than anybody else in the field. That's how daring he is. He's fucking, he's no nerves, he's no balls, I don't know what he hasn't got. He's amazing. That's what I'm hoping to see, if I happen to win a great show. So, Milan San Remo, tomorrow, first monument of the year, it's over tomorrow, 1 day. Matic Maharic, 14 to 1 in both places. The best price I've got is 16 to 1. Each way is a third of the place. We'll check in during the week how we get on. So you know what you do, you watch this space, keep the faith, back with the cycling tips. This year is going to be more profitable than the last, and the year before the year. 3 years in a row and profitable. This year is going to be better. Enjoy the race, if anybody watches it, I will speak to you soon. Just saying.